Hey everyone, today let's embark on a journey into the heart of media governance, exploring the intricate dynamics that shape our media landscape. We'll be sketching a basic model that encompasses the forces influencing media behavior, a dance of individuals, rulers, societal expectations, and the ever evolving technological sphere. Media governance, the invincible hand that guides our media landscape, involves processes that rule, regulate, facilitate, monitor, and influence media behavior. This governance is not a monolith, but a complex interplay of various affairs that differ across time and place. From a bird's eye view, we can identify three primary affairs influencing media behavior. First and foremost is media sphere itself, a dynamic space where individuals and groups send messages for various reasons. It can be financial gains, advocacy, creative expression, or public service. These can range from individual bloggers to massive media organizations. The second sphere is the realm of rulers and governments. Today, rules and regulations formalize governance, but history reminds us of a time when rulers made their demands known with a more direct approach, often yielding swords or guns. The third sphere encompasses mirrored expectations and demands of society's subgroups, audience, interest groups, investors, competitors, and more. These factions exert influence through informal means, using the commercial power, protest, petitions, or public recognition to shape media behavior. Some scholars argue for a fourth technological sphere, emphasizing how technology can either ease governance or disrupt it entirely. Technological advancements, from the printing press to the internet, have consistently reshaped the governance landscape, demanding the other three spheres to adapt and redefine norms. The rapid innovation of mobile technology and online services is our contemporary battleground. Politicians and pressure groups are already clamoring for changes to the existing system of rules and regulations to accommodate these shifts. As we unravel the layers of media governance, keep in mind that it's not a static system, it's a dynamic dance where each sphere influences and responds to the others. Join me as we delve deeper into historical models and contemporary theories, uncovering the intricate mechanisms that govern our media landscape. Until then, stay curious.